Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to solve additional problem using split method strategy. Let's look at some examples. We have 134 plus 428. So first of all, you need to separate it into tens, 100 and units. So we have 100, 30 and 4. This one will be 400, 28 and 8. You now group it into 100, tens and units. So 100 plus 400 is 500. 30 plus 20 is 50. 4 plus 8 is 12. You add 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 5 plus 1 is 6. Bring down 5. So you have 5, 6, 2. So your final answer is 5, 6, 2. Let's look at another method. We have 1, 2, 5, 9 plus 2, 7, 80. So first of all, you need to separate it into thousand, hundred, tens, and units. So this I have 1,250 plus 9. One is 2,070 plus 80. So you now add it. 9 plus 0 is 9. 80 plus 50 is 130. We have 30 plus 100 plus 200 plus 700 is 1000. That bring down to 1000 plus 1000 plus 2000 is 4000. So we have 4039. Let's look at another method. We have 25 plus 58. So this one, you have to partition it into tens and units. So here you have 20, 9, 50, 8. You now group it into tens and units. So you have 20 plus 50. This one is 9 plus 8. You now add them. You have 20 plus 50 is 70. Plus 9 plus 8 is 17. So your final answer is 8, 9 equals to 8, 9. Let's look at another example. You have 95 plus 13 equals to 95, 90 plus 5, and this one is 10 plus 3. You add 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 90 plus 10 is 100. So your answer will be 108,801. Thank you for watching.